Hello guys, Mr. Zach here, and it's been a while since I did this, but you know how I am, thinking something to do. So, we're out in the mountains, as you can see, and I just want to show you the truck when we get there, when we get out. Oh, we're going to Chloe. Perfect time. Do you see that there? Sand.
That's a nice picture.
Why don't you flip the camera around?
See?
That's a nice place to enjoy.
Break it on in there.
Yep. And this is when I did the last video of climbing that right there. Right there. Why? Oh, are you going around the gate?
No.
Oh.
No, you get in trouble for that.
Unless you get a permit.
No, we won't get in trouble for sitting here. Not like we're.
Get out of here.
Oh, there you go, Zach.
And we gotta fix it right for you. I know it's been a while, but that's truck back. It has a few problems. It's smoking white smoke, but it doesn't anymore. And this truck was out of quarantine and fixed up and get trucking up. No. And as you can see, that was been doing there for a while, and nothing has changed. Well, we can't go mudding with that suspension, but as you can see, nothing changed. So we're going to overview the truck and
It was the injectors went bad.
what?
The injectors went bad.
The ejectors went bad, so that's why it's blowing white smoke. It's been a while since I did this video, but just look at it. Just look at it, guys. Look at it. It's so beautiful, don't you think? The headlight, the GMC, the other headlight, the grill, the tires, these lights, this,
What is that?
an antenna with shape as a bullet.
50 cal.
50 what?
50 cal.
50 cal
Caliber bullet.
caliber bullet.
Cal stands for caliber.
Oh, and as you can see, the Dynamat Jack sold this. So as you can see, it's 30. Yes, I know you've been thinking, but know what you've been thinking. Know what you're saying. How did he sell that? Store convenience. Just look at the fenders, the wheel wells, the wheels, these things, the steps, the mirrors, which just haven't changed yet. But well, are we going to make some few changes, Dad?
We're gonna do a lot of changes.
Like changing the suspension,
We'll do that too.
like do some mudding, kicking the mud.
I don't know. We could. That'd be fun, wouldn't it?
Yep.
Find a place where it doesn't not too rocky in there. Yeah, we'll do it.
Yeah, and change these mirrors and
Back bumper.
back bumper and
Zachary,
what?
why don't you tell them what you like to see on the truck?
Oh, what I like to
What
see?
you like to see? Your opinion. Your opinion on what you like to see on the truck.
Oh, okay. I was going to. It's okay. I can see
You
the
pause
hood.
it?
Well, actually, I'm saying, but this hasn't changed yet. But we're getting there. It hasn't kicking up mud yet, but that's kicking up dirt. and do you want to see the front? Look, nothing had changed. Well, except for was that been there the whole time?
You have to tell me what that is.
The wheel,
Cover?
yeah.
No, Daddy got a new one.
So that how
That's
long?
A new wheel cover.
So was that a change or no?
Technically, yes, because it's new.
So that was a change. But everything's still the same. And no, I haven't watched My Little Pony next to that minion that you can see where I'm pointing at.
You're
What?
starting to whine. I don't even understand.
Zachary.
And what?
They don't need to know what you've been watching.
Oh, look at me. This
A cat.
this has a cat wheel. So this truck can go at the same mile per hour. And that's almost at 30 miles per hour. And he's pretty happy about it. Hashtag blowing money. And I can't wait for a change for some changes, but I'm getting truck wheels soon when I'm old enough to drive. But I think now will be not now will be a good time to pay attention, watch where you're going, and like Dad doing, but not like that. Hands 10 and 2, kids. Don't do that. Don't do that.
What?
Your hand.
It's 10 and 2.
You're supposed to drive with 10 and 2.
Oh, yeah. It's
Not
just
drive
10
like
and 2.
that.
Do not smoke, kids.
The, oh, it's that.
Do not smoke
That's where I'm going.
unless you
Don't get out too far.
do not smoke.
There's a
Smoke
cricket
when you
on the ground.
do
You're
not
just testing, aren't you?
do not smoke
Oh.
unless you're
Yeah.
old. When you're old enough to smoke, do not smoke, kids. Do not. Watch both ways, like Dad's doing.
Kids, you're alright, kid.
What? Yeah, guys. So I don't know where we're going, but we're getting there. We're almost there. Are we almost there, Mom? I stand corrected.
5 miles away.
About 5 miles away. So I'll keep you posted in the next 5 miles. Okay, guys. So I didn't expect it, but Look. We're at the mall. A mall. I don't know what we're doing here. Maybe some shopping, movie shopping.
Not
Do
talking
some.
nothing.
Are we doing some donuts?
No.
We go eat some donuts.
Wait, what are we doing here?
What are we doing?
Yeah.
What you want to do?
Oh, okay.
You wanted to get out and look at the hood. Daddy will pop it and you can open it. Want me to take your case for you?
Yeah. So this is the. I've been waiting for a long time for this. Let's see if there's changes in there.
As you push it over, you gotta lift up with the other hand. Can you get it? You gotta hold it over and lift up with the other hand.
Hold it over.
Hold that over and lift up. Here.
Oh, there's a blue. There's a blue.
That's different.
That's different. And look,
You have blue underneath your hood. Huh?
That's-
blue underneath your hood.
that's haven't been there. Maybe they put the wrong ejectors in.
Move over.
Oh, damn it!
Are you?
Turn that off for a second.
I don't know what this is. Probably
Don't you ask Daddy?
that. What the black tube?
Look like too.
This.
Your air.
The air intake.
The air intake. What's the air intake?
What
I'd
it says?
I'd pop it off, but it's screwed in.
It moves a little.
It's mixing a bolt. Because it's supposed to sit up like that.
Huh. I wonder how it sounds like that. Can you start it up?
No, I don't feel like starting it up.
When we go to leave, he'll start it up for you.
Alright. That? Wait. Oh, that bin's in
So I
there.
tried learning how to play.
You have an Isuzu motor.
A
It
Zuzu.
says it right there.
Zuzu?
Yeah, Isuzu.
Excuse me.
Right there. See it on that rating?
Maybe they call. Hang on. Let me get
Okay.
right there.
Yeah, move your hand. Because it's focusing on your hand. Move your hand. Oh, focus. There it goes.
But they don't know it.
Maybe they call it Isuzu. Zuzu. Maybe they'll call it Isuzu. Zuzu Sierra.
No.
No, it's the type
You're
of
making no sense, Zach. You have to make sense when you're doing videos.
It's a type of motor it is.
Oh.
It's not it's a Sierra. That's the type of truck it is.
Oh.
The motor is different.
I didn't know what type of motor this is. They make new changes, so I bet you that's why they took so long. Don't you think that?
I don't know what you're saying, really, honestly.
Yeah, what are you talking about? They take too long.
About changes like this.
No, they usually change a vehicle every 8 to 10 years.
5.
Every 5. That was close.
5 to 10.
Are you done?
What's this?
That's
Hot.
coolant.
I didn't know. Two batteries is sick.
What did you say you thought that was?
Hmm?
Oh, yeah.
Here, come on.
Alright, Zach, are you done with this?
Yep, so they make a few changes, but that's okay.
What changes are you talking about, Zach?
What changes have we made?
The
Listen,
engine.
listen.
Stop that.
So yeah, guys, they
TikTok.
made
Which? How do you
What to do?
they made a lot.
TikTok? TikTok.
lot
Just think about it a little bit. If you wanna think of anything, you're the TikTok person, not I'm
hold on. They made a lot of changes with the engine, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you soon.